first you want Sir James?
Use everything.
As I like this all sign is on. On.
Why do we have breaker for the pump and the switch for the pump?
This one is main for pump, main switch, main. This one is on and off. Button.
If I turn this off, it only turns the pump, right? It's
Yes,
the-
yes, yes.
If I turn this down, it's the same thing as turning that off.
Oh,
No different.
No, it's different, Sir Jeff, because this is the main breaker
for the pump
for
only.
the pump.
For the pump.
For
only.
this.
Yeah.
That's for the motor.
This one on pump. Motor.
And this is the switch.
Oh yeah, this
Yes,
is.
All
Only a
right.
switch like this.
Okay. All right.
Someone like monitor.
Can I light things?
This
What
one is lightings. All lightings for the pole. The 12 volts transformer. This is a transformer.
Transformer. Why do we need the transformer?
You need this one for the 220 volts and to reduce the 12 volts lighting in
Oh, to 12 volts. Okay.
the swimming pool. That's I put the marka
Tagging.
tagging. Do not open because the inside is 12 volts. The inside is 220 is okay, open. This one today will be run. A battery will run and motor will be 5 hours to 6 hours
5 to 6 hours per day.
per day.
How often do we change the filter? Or
So
clean
off
it?
first will be off. Turn off.
And
So
open.
open. This one to using the open will be the vacuum on stone like leaves will be open here. Do not
For sure,
sure
open.
off. Hindi okay na rin basta off. Do not sure off ng motor pump. So will be open and open this. So pick up the basket. And clean the basket. All your vacuum here will be there.
How often should I do this?
You see the more leaves and stone will be open.
Like maybe every 2 weeks?
Maybe 2 weeks. Will be clean. Can you see? Will be clean. Do not open. So can you return this ball on the side, at the side. The side. The suction side. This one suction. So will be open. Close. Please tight this one. Ensure no air from using this one. Okay.
Even if it's not 2 weeks and if there's lots of debris in there, can clean.
The ball naman ugaw.
So this also the body flow big bulb. This is body flow.
A what?
This sign body flow.
Body flow.
Body flow big bulb like that. This one. So this sign is for filter recession. The name is filter recession. So will be your backwash. You turn for okay, turn. So will be with turn backwash. So will be on the motor. So you can remember, Sir James, do not touch there. Will be the motor will be run off first
Okay.
for the safety, and then backwash. Can you see the bottle will be clean? So stop the motor. Stop the motor will be, can you see the bottle will be
Yeah.
clean. Stop the motor and then back to filter session again.
Moro yung panong.
Oh, maura.
Moro yung hotel.
Oh, wala, oh.
Dili, ibalik mo.
Not because
Only-
the
Not counter.
not counter.
Same.
Because of
only
the-
clockwise.
Oh, likewise, so because the rubber gasket inside will be
Okay.
okay. So return to filtration. So turn on. Will be the gauge to pull until the red. So will be off the motor because they have a problem also. Do not this block do not until the red.
If the needle goes to the red, then there's a problem.
You have a problem.
Turn it off.
Turn off. Oh, very important this surgeon.
Okay.
Because of the for this one the black, no, the water inside you cannot go in the pool because this tray will be closed. This tray no, you have open one open or two or three. Better tray open. Oh, that's good. This one return on the tray on the wall.
That's on?
Oh, that's all, ma'am. That side is on.
Okay.
This side
It's
is closed. Oh, so this
Unless
one
we want the fountain. If we want to use the fountain, then we open it a
open.
little bit.
It's okay. Half, as like that.
Yeah.
Half. Oh, something like that. This return will be open pole open.
Yeah.
So, later you're gonna touch like only like that.
Yeah.
Because the pressure will be pole.
Okay.
That's a problem.
So even when we're doing backwash, this stays open.
Better will close.
If it's doing backwash, then we close the return.
Close will be the water, dirty water will back in the pool.
Okay, so
will be closed.
for the backwash, we watch this needle, if it or this glass. If it's dirty, turn this off.
Off.
Turn this one to backwash.
Backwash. Okay.
The backwash. How long do we run the backwash?
I will be to see the bottle will be
Until it's
clean.
Okay.
Clean water.
Typically, how long? 10 minutes?
5 seconds lang.
Length? Oh, seconds.
Seconds,
Oh, okay.
Because the water will be
Okay, so when the backwash is done, we turn
Off.
this off
off.
and then turn this one back.
Or back for the filtration.
Okay, but before we turn it to backwash, we have to turn this return off.
Off. So will be. Don't remember this off and or turn the
Turn
filtration.
that to backwash and turn this off.
Oh.